The men's quads, and this is the Fawley on Leander Club, the Berkshire station. You can see there, Leander Club, and we've got Clare's Court School on the Buck station. Clare's Court from Maidenhead, which is not too far from here if you know your local geography, a bit further down the river.
Yeah, it's a sort of local rivalry, and you know, I don't know how often these kids, or how well these kids know each other, and but it's a big, it's a massive rivalry, and it really looks like it's a neck and neck race so far, I think.
It does, doesn't it? It looks tight. Leander perhaps just up, but this could be a good one. Clare's Court School got good pedigree. Men's quads, this is a tough one, isn't it? We're relatively inexperienced, of course, they're youngsters, and it's such a technical boat, isn't it, the quad? To get that firing, a lot can go wrong.
Yeah. I mean, the quad is one of the one of the fastest moving boats on the water, apart from the 8. It's a very dynamic stroke, very punchy at the front end on the legs, because the legs are applying the power when you get connected to the water. But both these crews are rowing very well. A little bit of looking there from Leander.
This is shaping up to be a good race. Last year, Tideway beat Windsor Boys in the final, and at stake right now is an opportunity to get into the semi-final of the Fawley, and a move here from Clare's Court School. Have Leander Club got anything up their sleeve? Can they respond? This is going to be a tactical game, a test of the mentally toughest as well in these last few hundred metres. But Clare's Court School, Alex, just in the last couple of 100 metres have made a move, and now it's whether Leander have got a response.
Yeah, I mean, Tim, you're looking out on the water today, and both crews are going very well. The young crews, they've probably got a massive amount of competition towards each other. But you look at that water, and it's popping around all over the place. It makes it very, very difficult for the steersman to steer the boat, it's a tough day here at Henley.
Well, Leander producing their own move now, and it's absolutely level as they head in front of the regatta enclosure. This is going to be a thriller of a finish. Heartbreak for one of these boats, and for another, it's going into the weekend of Henley Royal Regatta. There's a lot at stake in the next few minutes here. The Fawley Junior Men's Quads. We've got Leander Club battling it away with Clare's Court School, and there you can see the Clare's Court boat. Jonathan Neagle in the bow seat, Max Panther, Matthew Creaser and Harry Ruins, and they've put together a good race, but Leander have threatened them all the way down. And look at this, it's so tight as they head into the business end of the race.
Yeah, there's not much to tell from here. I'd be interested to see what the verdict is when the progress board is raised. But what the other thing you've got to factor into this race is that this is Leander's home stretch of water. They train on this piece of water day in, day out, and that's a massive advantage. And actually, as you can see here, it really doesn't look like like they're moving away.
Not much in it. The umpire having to get involved. Clare's Court School half a length up in front of Stewards. Only 10 strokes remaining. Clare's Court School dig a bit deeper, stretch it out to a length now, and they will be confident that they can get home. 5 strokes left in front of Stewards, and the Maidenhead schoolboys have just about wrapped it up. Leander threatened them all the way down, gave them a really good race. One of the races of the morning, and it's the celebrations for Clare's Court School. They go into the semi-finals of the Fawley Challenge Cup, and Leander Club made it a terrific contest.